everybody, welcome to the Rim Vlog.
Creep and I crawl and I creep and I crawl and I creep and I crawl, creep, creep.
Say what?
I said I creep and I crawl.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, welcome to the Rim Vlog.
I got my homies from Grape Street Wise. I got my G's from the CPG. I got my dogs from the cross, the ruthless man that's down with the KCYE. Now, early in the morning I wake, thinking about these dead fools' life that I had to take. Putting on a true name, now beat game at point blank range.
So here I am in Seven Lakes, North Carolina. This is where my parents live. For this week's vlog, Nicole and I are here to hang out with the parents. We don't have a whole lot planned, but we are gonna relax. We're gonna enjoy this. We're gonna enjoy this morning with all the chirping birds, the crickets, just nature's sound. Hear it? So on Sunday, we're supposed to go to Asheville, North Carolina, where we've rented a condo, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go do some hiking. It's known as the land of waterfalls. So I have my drone, got a couple cameras. Hopefully we should be able to get something pretty good, especially in the waterfalls. So I'm not totally sure if we're supposed to be in here with the horses, but nonetheless we're in here with the horses. So we scheduled ourselves a horse riding thing for tomorrow. He's trying to get my attention here. So apparently we weren't supposed to walk through this field because it's dangerous, but we risked it. We're still alive, and we booked ourselves a
Don't speak too soon. We haven't made it through the pasture yet.
Oh, I made it. I can outrun all three of you.
Jump!
We're now here at the Mill Creek Reservoir. Pretty nice little nature reserve here. All right, so we're out doing a little bit of jogging. We're in a little bit of a competition right now.
What?
Let's see who's gonna win this race. I won. Nicole, you better step up your game.
No, you're the
Nicole,
Energizer
you
Bunny.
need to step up your
You
game.
are the Energizer Bunny.
Jeez, you think this is a game? You think this is a f***ing game? All right, so that was leg one of our little run. My parents live right across the lake right here. Pretty awesome spot. Pretty awesome spot. These little guys are everywhere. Right there, right there, right there, right there. That's a big boy right there. There's a swallowtail butterfly right here. It's my favorite butterfly in the world.
Wow.
All right, she's gonna get a head start. It's about 0.84 miles back. I'm gonna give her at least a 15-second head start. Now it's my turn to go after.
wild.
Hey Nicole, guess we just caught up. I passed her up a little while ago. She's way at the top of the street. And I'm almost there. I'm here. I beat her again. Nicole, what did I tell you about stepping up your game? If you're not gonna step up your game, I'm stepping out the door. Finally, she's arrived. Winner, still champion. This guy right here. All right, here we are. We are gonna do some horse riding today. Hey, we just saw you taking a poop, buddy. How's it going, dude? Hey, you were the one giving me the stink eye yesterday. This is Nugget. He was giving me the eye yesterday. Good morning, Joker. What's up, bud?
Beautiful.
This is the camera.
Oh, wow.
Are you smiling for the camera? And Bo. What's up, Bo? You got some flies in your nostrils, dude. And we got Casper. What's up, Casper?
Wow. Look at him.
Casper, you look like you're smiling there, buddy. Hello, Casper. Hi, buddy. We got Charlie. Hey, Charlie. What's up, Charlie? Vulcan. Hey, Vulcan. Oh, Vulcan's huge.
Oh, man. He is so beautiful.
Vulcan, you are huge, buddy. You are big, huh? There goes Nicole with Charlie. And here comes my horse. On today's Rim Vlog, we ride horses. My mother has the look of fear in her eye right now. She's so scared of this horse. She's so scared. A caballero she is not. Finished riding the horses. That was fun. Very relaxful. And my mother was scared shitless. Alright, now that we've finished riding our horses, we are so hot. It's time to relax and jump in the pool. So we're out here just kind of hanging out, exploring. There was some thunder going on, so we were checking that out. And Nicole stumbles across a huge patch of caterpillars. Check this out.
Hold on, look at the babies over here.
Hold on, I'll get to the babies, lady. And the baby patch. They look like bananas swarmed together. It is about to start raining. This could be pretty cool.
Yeah, and we're protected.
It is raining, but we don't even feel any drops. Oh, now I do.
I can hear it.
It's about 6:45 in the morning. I always say it sucks to wake up early, but then you get something like that and it makes it worthwhile. Here we are, we're at an Airbnb in Asheville, North Carolina. My mother's driving me crazy already. I need to get away from her. We've only been with them for 3 days and I'm already to...
This is the hotel.
Alright, we're going to the Marriott now. We've escaped my parents. Oh my goodness. Oh, we've escaped my parents. Now we're gonna go to a rooftop bar. Hopefully this works out. Anything that's not hanging out with them is gonna work out. For some reason, there's just a random turtle here, just chilling. Hey, buddy. All right, so we're here for our first hike. This is Catawba Falls. I think that's how you say it. Hoping to see a waterfall here. And Nicole's catching a butterfly. Are you enjoying yourself over here, buddy? Got a little rope here. right, we are deep into territory now. Don't really know where this hike's gonna end up. Word around town is that there's a place to jump in the water at the end of this hike. There's definitely spider webs. That's why you see me doing this. I'm not in the water rowing. I'm just trying to take care of the spider webs so I can keep these spiders out of this goddamn hair of mine. I made it. Time to head to the next destination, which is back down the mountain, and let's do it. On the way. We are now on day 5 of this excruciating trip, but for today we get to hike this all alone. We are back at the Pisgah National Forest and we are headed to Looking Glass Rock. We're a little over a mile up on the mountain so far. About two more to go. It's a rock. We're going 3 miles to a rock. All right, so we've come across our first wildlife, and we got this tortoise here, just chilling. Hey, buddy. Don't be scared.
It's a big debut.
It's okay, Donatello. We've been steadily climbing this mountain. I don't know how this fool makes it up and down this mountain. I mean, look at where he's headed. Down here. That's not easy. Hey buddy, how do you plan on getting down there? Alright. We have just encountered another species out here. First it was that tortoise that we saw. We saw a couple of white squirrels, but couldn't get them. But here we have a little snake. We should almost be there. Can't be that far away. We're almost 3 miles in, and that's how long the trail is. I'm talking to the camera, I'm not talking to you. She always thinks I'm talking to her. What would I want to talk to her for? We're here. All right, so we have all this, and I'm gonna see how loud of a whistle I can do. There was like no
All
echo.
it did was just burst my eardrum.
Yeah, my eardrum too. There's no echo going on out here. That's weird. Other really than a couple of annoying mosquitoes and flies that keep buzzing around my head, it is so quiet out here. Just that stupid bug that keeps flying around my goddamn head. There's no noise, no birds, no echoes. No, there's a couple of little birds, but no echoes. It's just so quiet. 6 miles later, we have completed our loop. We have completed our hike for today. Now we go find some waterfalls to go jump in because we're both dripping wet. We have arrived at Looking Glass Falls and just seeing through the trees here, it looks like it's going to be pretty spectacular. All right, here we are. This is what we've been waiting for. It is definitely super windy here. I don't think I'm gonna bust the snow now. It's probably not the safest thing to do. It is slippery. Alright, this is what they call sliding rock. I'm going to attempt to go down this freezing water. Hopefully I don't break my ass on the rocks. The things you do for a vlog. Alright, this water is freezing. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to do this. Wow. Woo! That was awesome. Alright, so that was kind of fun. So I'm gonna go for round 2 on this. Water's actually not too bad. It feels really, really good. Alright, here we go, round 2. Actually a bunch of fish in the water right here too. This is Triple Falls, as you can see there's one there, one right here. Come on buddy, flutter away. Flutter, flutter away. Nicole and I are out here doing a run again. She's back there in second place, as always. She's way behind me now. I don't know if she's walking. Nicole, are you walking? What are you doing? Come on, run. There she is over there. California, I love you. And Nicole and I will be home soon.
Yay!